Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. This is going to be a quick video. So this is a microfiber drying towel, a large one, extra large, Kent car care. So this has the most best reviews on Amazon. It's the best rated, and it's £4.20, and it's bright yellow. Okay, so it absorbs 8 times its weight in water, used to dry large areas quickly. Superior satin edging. I don't see no satin anyway. Okay, softer and more absorbent than cotton. Lint free and clear coat safe. Machine washable. Okay. Ideal for car, house, boat. Each microscope. What the hell is dirty already? Look at that. Yeah, each microscope has been split so millions of tiny hooks attract and lift moisture. Okay. When cloth is dirty, hand or machine wash in warm water. Do not use any bleach or fabric conditioner. This microfiber drying towel will not scratch surfaces. However, it can pick up and trap particles that could scratch. To prevent this, rinse your towel after each use to release trapped dirt. Okay, guys, that's how you use it. There's your website for the company. Energizer. Is that the butt tube brand? Do they own this? The hell? Alright, let's go ahead and open it. Oh, there's a stick on it. Not stick, sellotape. Oh, that's very sticky, nasty. So this was £4.20. I can only wonder why they chose that exact price. So this is meant to be very... Oh, this is the velvet edge. That's what they were on about. Okay, I'm impressed now. Oh, this is actually quite big. It looked a lot smaller. Wow, that is quite big. It's like a beach towel. I'm joking, it's smaller than a beach towel. It's quite big though, look at that. Bloody hell, guys. That is really big. That will definitely clean your car. I mean, wipe it down. So what you do is, if you not watch my last video, use them noodles. Wash your car with it. Boom, 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 boom. Well, first you need to foam it. Wash it. Use them noodles. Clean everything properly. And then with the leftover, wash it again, rinse again. And then bam. Clean this with it. That's it, yeah. So yeah, I'm really impressed. Let's look at these edges. Look how nice these are. Oh, okay, I'm very impressed. I'll give this a try one day. When look at all this fluff. Can you see? This is what you don't want left behind in the car. The same thing happened with that. So I'm guessing this probably needs a wash or something first. Bloody hell, guys. Otherwise you're gonna get fluff all over your car after you wash it. And try rinse it with this. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll make a video on cleaning my car next time. Maybe my next car, I don't know. Or maybe this car just before I go. So yeah, anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.